Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. It is currently 82 degrees foolish. That makes it about 28 degrees civilized. Okay, this will be just a quick little midweek thing here. Scott DLR, thank you so much for being a subscriber and commenting and being a helpful sort of a sport. Mentioned that these heads, where you can see this old Ford Blue, should be black. And the casting number, that one just says FOMOCO. That one says C4AE. And that one says 60, that one down there, says 6090G, DHF, F. C4AE. You can see that this was painted black. This used to be painted black. This is very definite old Ford Blue. C4AE 8090G DIF Ford. Can anybody tell me, are these the heads that are supposed to be on this block? The block number is, well, can you guys see that? 390 65 5 5E 357J. But this was all painted black. Should I be repainting this block black and the valve covers and air cleaner gold, or what? Yeah, so I don't really know. Casting numbers and block numbers and all that kind of right past me. But if any of you smart fellas out there know anything about that, I'd appreciate you letting me know. So, what are we thinking? Ford Blue? All black with the gold? Does it make much of a difference? Probably not, but I don't know. I'll kind of go along with the crowd if we come up with a consensus of what we ought to be doing. Alright. Once again, I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you for sticking with me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the little bell icon. It gives you notification of any new videos I post. Give us a thumbs up if you would. It definitely helps spread the channel around. Catch you next time. This has been an Empty Pockets production.